and viewers, as part of our coverage for Cisco Expo 2009, we are pleased to meet Mr. Derek Schroeter. Mr. Derek, how are you?
Fine, how are you? Thank you very much.
In this expo you are having 3 sessions.
I will.
So we will go to each one of them one on one. We'll start with the first one, which is the ISP Optical Coated Clean. Can you just give us a brief about that?
Surely. We have been working very hard both on the optical space and on the IP space to define an architecture how the transport, the optical, can support what we want to do on the IP. That is, we are currently building a control plane that allows IP or other client layers to use the DWDM layer, the investment in the DWDM layer in a much more intelligent way. And that session just gave an update on how we are with the standards and what our product plans are.
Okay, now regarding the second session, which was the IP or the DWDM.
Yes.
Can you also give us and to the viewers
of course.
brief about it?
Now, IP over DWDM has been around for now about 4 years, and we are entering a new phase in the maturity of the overall solution by extending it to other platforms as well as new functionalities. And this session will give an update on where the standards are. There are some developments in the ITU which support that now, and we are introducing in iOS XR a new feature called Proactive Protection, and that will be the main part of my talk on IP over DWDM.
Okay. The first session was yesterday, right?
That was yesterday, yes.
The next two will be held today.
They will be held today, back to back in room D.
Very good.
Yes.
Now we come to the third presentation, which is the ISP Infrastructure and Operation Security. Can you also just give us a brief about that?
Now, it is just a quick 15-minute overview of how to secure the infrastructure of ISPs. You know that the attacks are coming in ever new ways, and this is just a brief discussion on some of the major operational things you can do in order to secure your ISP, as well as look at the hardening of the infrastructure. It is basically a refresher course on best practices that have been built by many experts within the ISP community, many of my colleagues, so I'm shamelessly ripping off some of their slides. But I'll give them credit in the slide deck.
Was this your first visit to Saudi Arabia?
This has been my first visit to Saudi Arabia, yes.
So what do you think about the Cisco Expo 2009 so far?
First of all, thank you very much for the hospitality, for the professionalism, for this venue. I felt very comfortable. I had lots of discussions with the customers, with the attendees. It was interactive. It was well worth my time, the effort, and I would sure be looking forward to coming back next year for Saudi Expo 2010. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.